health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates in the world of health and science. Today, I've got some groundbreaking news about COVID-19 that you don't want to miss. This could be a game changer in our fight against the pandemic. Scientists have discovered a powerful antibody that could neutralize all known COVID-19 variants. Yes, you heard that right, all variants. Imagine the possibilities. This discovery could revolutionize how we approach COVID-19 treatment and prevention. This could pave the way for a universal vaccine, something that could protect us from any variant of the virus. So, what's this miracle antibody called? It's named SC27, and it was found in the blood of a person who had recovered from COVID-19. The discovery of SC27 is nothing short of miraculous. It targets a part of the virus that doesn't mutate, making it effective against all variants. This means it could potentially offer a more stable and long-lasting solution. Imagine a single solution to tackle every variant out there. This could simplify the vaccination process and make it more efficient. Now let's dive a bit deeper into the science behind this discovery. Current vaccines have been a game changer, but they might not be as effective against newer variants. This is where SC27 comes in. This antibody could be the key to a more reliable and universal solution. Researchers believe SC27 could be used as a therapeutic treatment for COVID-19 or as a component of a universal vaccine. But wait, there's more! The potential benefits of SC27 don't stop at just neutralizing the virus. The researchers say it could provide long-lasting immunity and even prevent the emergence of new variants. Long-lasting immunity? Sign me up! This could mean fewer booster shots and a more straightforward approach to managing the pandemic. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds amazing, but where are we in the process? How soon can we expect this to be available? The study, published in Cell Reports Medicine by researchers at the University of Texas at Austin, is still in its early stages, but the findings offer a glimmer of hope for a more effective and lasting solution to this pandemic. Researchers are optimistic, but more studies and trials are needed to confirm these results. This could potentially lead to a universal vaccine and offer hope for a more effective and long-lasting solution to the pandemic. Exciting times, right? We are on the brink of a major breakthrough. Stay tuned for more updates on this groundbreaking discovery. We'll keep you informed as more information becomes available. And as always, stay healthy and stay informed. Your health is our top priority, and we are committed to bringing you the latest and most reliable information. Until next time, take care. Keep following our channel for more updates and stay safe out there.